Due to popular demand, here are some exercises to help you with your endometriosis leg pain or femoral nerve pain. Lying on your front, forehead relaxed on your hands, bend your affected leg at the knee towards your bum, going as far as you can go. Then slowly lower your leg back down while simultaneously lifting your head up. Repeat the move, bending your knee back towards your bum whilst lowering your head back to your hands. This exercise stretches the femoral nerve. Lying on your back, knees bent, bring your affected leg in towards you, clasping your hands around the back of your thigh. Begin to extend your leg straight until you reach the point of tension. Then start to lower your foot slightly while simultaneously lifting your head towards your chest. As you begin to straighten your leg up again, relax your head back to lying position. This exercise is meant to help relieve pain and numbness. Now for my favorite exercise. Lunge forwards, bending your front knee and hold. By keeping your back leg straight, if you can, you're stretching your groin area, which really helps lengthen tight hip flexors. With this move, you're engaging your core and glutes too. Repeat on both legs. Time for some yoga. Get into downward facing dog. Lift one leg off the ground into three-legged dog. Bring your leg back down and forwards into the runner's lunge pose. Hold here for the stretch. Now repeat with your other leg. Drop it like it's hot. It's time to squat like our ancestors. The deep-seated squat is another favorite of mine. It helps loosen the hip muscles and relieve lower back pain. You can swing from side to side or rotate your hips into the number 8. The pigeon pose, another great stretch for tight hip flexors and hip rotators, hence why you feel it in the front and round the back to your buttocks. Stay upright, but if you like, lean forwards, resting yourself over your bended leg for a deeper stretch. Here we're going to get on one knee, turning the other leg out to the side. Motion laterally, bending at the knee, reaching as far as you can comfortably go to get a good inner stretch. Hold for a few seconds and motion back to starting position. Repeat several times for each leg. Get on all fours for straight leg donkey kicks, alternating your legs. These help with glute strength and hip stability. If you want to challenge yourself, get into a bear hold. You curl your toes under and raise your legs up at the knees. Hold this position and perform the straight leg donkey kicks one leg at a time. Cat-cow with a focus on the lower back. Starting with a neutral spine, begin by first tucking your tailbone in and slowly motioning upwards through your mid-back. Think one vertebra at a time, tucking your pelvis in as far as you can go. Hold for a second and then slowly release into the back arching position. Lead with your tailbone, again one vertebra at a time. Start to open your hips, and by that I mean push back and out, spreading your butt cheeks. Glute bridges. Place your arms behind you as support. Raise up through your core, squeezing your glutes, and hold position for a few seconds. Slowly lower your bum back down and repeat. Get a deep quadricep stretch. Perform a kneeling lunge and then lift your back leg up towards your bum and hold. If this is too difficult, place a chair behind you at a comfortable distance and rest your foot on it for support. Open up your lower back by doing a combo of yoga and Pilates exercises. Begin by hugging your knees while rotating them from side to side. Now work your way into happy baby and continue swinging. Next, you're going to keep your knees bent and windmill from left to right. As you rotate to one side at the hips, keep your upper back flat on the ground and rotate your head in the opposite direction. Hold position for a good few seconds before swinging over to the other side. You can also perform this exercise by bending one knee at a time, as I demonstrate here. To finish things off, we're going to do another lower back stretch, and this time incorporate our hamstrings and calves. Sitting in an L position, feet hip width apart, lift up through your arms and bend forwards, curving over your spine. Reach for your feet or your shins without overextending yourself. It also feels good to pedal your feet out by pointing and flexing them one at a time. That's a wrap! I hope these exercises helped you as much as they've helped me.